In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to online teaching at Divisional Public School and College. I am Mrs. Sania Latif, SS Chemistry at Girls School Morning. Dear students, we have to start the new chapter 7, Thermochemistry. Therm means heat and chemistry means the chemical changes. So thermochemistry overall is the study of heat changes accompanying chemical reaction is known as thermochemistry. वो सारे chemical reactions जिनके दौरान heat में changes आते हैं, they all come under the discussion of thermochemistry. Today's topic of our lesson is system, surrounding and state function. First, law of thermodynamics, internal energy and enthalpy of the system. These all terms will be discussed today. First of all, the first and the very most important term of thermodynamics, of thermochemistry is the system. The term system is used for anything under test in laboratory or under consideration in class for the purpose of argument. We can say that any real or imaginary portion of the universe which is under study is called a system. हर वो सब्सटेंस, हर वो मटेरियल जो अंडर स्टडी है, जो अंडर डिस्कशन है, वो लेबोरेटरी भी हो सकती है, वो कोई और जगह भी हो सकती है, वो मटेरियल विच इज अंडर डिस्कशन और स्टडी इज कॉल्ड एज द सिस्टम. और हमारा सिस्टम जो है वो रियल भी हो सकता है और इमेजिनरी पोर्शन ऑफ द यूनिवर्स भी हो सकता है. सो एनी मटेरियल that is under study or under discussion is called as system. Look at, here is a cup of coffee. Coffee in this cup is the system. The wall of the cup, the saucer, the table and the air all around it is its surroundings, and only the coffee in the cup is the system. Look at, there is a biological culture, that is a bacterial culture in the petri dish which is under study. So this bacterial culture which is under discussion is called as system. The dropper, the petri dish, the table and the air, everything all around the system is called as its surroundings. Dear students, these are the flasks having some chemicals in it. These chemicals are going to be used in some chemical reactions. So these chemicals which are under study are called as system. The wall of the flask which is separating the system from the surrounding is called as its boundary. And all other things except system are surroundings. Now what should be the definition for surrounding? The remaining portion of the universe is called surrounding except system. System के अलावा universe का सारा portion, हर चीज जो है वो surrounding में शामिल हो जाती है. Boundary, a real or imaginary surface separating the system from the surrounding is called as boundary. Boundary कोई line भी हो सकती है, कोई wall भी हो सकती है, या कोई और material हो सकता है जो system को surrounding से separate करता है, उसे हम boundary कहते हैं. Look at, there is the system and the outline of this system is its boundary, and anything outside this boundary is included in surrounding. There is a beaker, water is in the beaker, and this liquid is under study, and we are going to study the changes in this system. So this is called as system. The wall mask is its boundary, and everything other than system is its surrounding. State is the condition of the system. जो भी किसी भी सिस्टम की जो कंडीशन है वो उसकी स्टेट कहलाती है. The state of the system is actually condition of a system. Let us consider a beaker having water. It will be having certain values of temperature and pressure. These initial conditions are called initial state of matter. When we heat the water, its temperature increases, so its final state. Let T1 is the temperature before heating and T2 is the temperature after heating. जब बीकर में वाटर लेते हैं तो वाटर की कुछ पर्टिकुलर प्रेशर वैल्यू हो सकती है, कुछ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर वैल्यू हो सकती है और उसका वॉल्यूम भी पर्टिकुलर होगा. तो किसी भी चेंज से पहले जो उसकी कंडीशंस हैं वो इसकी इनिशियल स्टेट है. जैसे ही हम वाटर को हीट करते हैं, इट एब्जॉर्ब्स हीट and its temperature rises, its pressure also changes. So after heating, the new value of temperature and pressure will call as its final state. So we can measure the change in state. How can we measure the change? We can measure the change in temperature by subtracting T2 minus T1 is the change in temperature. Here is the water in the beaker and its temperature is 25 Celsius, which is its initial state. After heating, the temperature of the water in the beaker is 72 Celsius. And after heating, this 72 Celsius is its final state or final temperature. And we can measure the change in its temperature by subtracting 25 Celsius from 72 Celsius. State function. A state function is a macroscopic property of a system which has some definite values for initial and final states and which is independent of the path adopted to bring that change. By convention, we use capital letters for state functions. Pressure, temperature, volume, internal energy and enthalpy are all state functions. हर वो state जो वेरिएबल है जिसमें चेंजेस पॉसिबल हैं, that state is called as state function. Like temperature, pressure, volume, internal energy and enthalpy, these are all state functions because these parameters are variable. They could have some initial or final values of states. Internal energy. Internal energy, a system containing some quantity of matter has definite amount of energy present in it. This energy is the sum of kinetic and potential energies of the particles contained in the system. हर सिस्टम के अंदर एक एनर्जी की एक खास मिकदार मौजूद होती है और वो उसकी इंटरनल एनर्जी है. अब हर सिस्टम की इंटरनल एनर्जी दूसरे सिस्टम से मुख्तलिफ होती है. और इंटरनल एनर्जी is the sum of kinetic and potential energies of the particles. And how this kinetic energy is due to translational, rotational and vibrational movements of the particles. And potential energy accounts for all the types of attractive forces all the types of attractive forces present in the system. These forces include all the types of bonds as well as the van der Waals forces present between the particles. So kinetic energy is due to motion, different types of motion of the particles, and potential energy is due to the different types of bonding and intermolecular interactions between the particles. The total of all the possible kinds of energies of the system is called as its internal energy. It is not possible to measure absolute internal energy, but it is often possible to measure value of delta E of the system. हम किसी भी सिस्टम में कोई चेंज लाए बगैर उसके रियल इंटरनल एनर्जी मैग्नीट्यूड को नहीं मेजर कर सकते. एक्चुअली इंटरनल एनर्जी मेजर करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी जो है उसे हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. Look at these are different types of motions which account for the kinetic energy of the particles. These are the translational motions, and these are the rotational motions, and this is the vibrational motion. Two ways of transferring energy to or from the system. सिस्टम में से एनर्जी जो है उसको ऐड भी किया जा सकता है और रिमूव भी किया जा सकता है. There are two methods to transfer energy to or from the system. These two methods are heat. सिस्टम हीट एब्जॉर्ब भी कर सकता है और सिस्टम हीट रिलीज भी कर सकता है. इस एब्जॉर्प्शन और रिलीज के दौरान उस सिस्टम की इंटरनल एनर्जी में चेंज आता है. एंड द सेकेंड मेथड और द सेकेंड वे ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग एनर्जी टू और फ्रॉम द सिस्टम इज वर्क. Work can be done on the system and work can be done by the system. In both ways, there will be change in internal energy of the system. जब सिस्टम पर काम किया जाएगा, this work will be added to the system and it will be positive. When work is done by the system will do work. The system will do work on its own by utilizing its own internal energy. The work will be negative. Heat. Heat is not a property of system. It is therefore not a state function. It is defined as the quantity of energy that flows across the boundary of a system during a change in its state due to the difference between system and surrounding. There is always energy difference between system and surrounding, and depending upon this difference, the heat will move from the system to the surrounding or from the surrounding to the system. Heat is represented by Q. The sign of Q is positive when heat is absorbed by the system and it is negative when heat is absorbed by the surrounding. Heat positive भी हो सकती है और negative भी हो सकती है. Look at in this animation, it has shown that the heat is flowing from the system to the surrounding. In the first, there is difference between the energy content of system and surrounding. Heat starts to flow from the system to the surrounding. At the end, both are same. System and surrounding is having same energy content, then the flow will stop. Work. Work is also a form in which energy is transferred from one system to another. It is the product of force and distance, F into S. F is the force and the S is the distance to which this force is applied. It is measured in joules in SI units. Work we commonly encounter in thermochemistry is pressure volume work. क्योंकि हम केमिस्ट्री में ज़्यादातर गैसेस, लिक्विड्स और सॉलिड्स को डील करते हैं, तो जो वर्क होगा, the work done will be the pressure volume work. For expansion, the work done will be minus P delta V. Pressure is the force and delta V is the distance, and minus sign shows that the work is done by the system. So for expansion, work done will be equals to minus P delta V. Work is not a state function. It is positive when work is done on the system, and it is negative when work is done by the system. Look at this is the negative work because for expansion the gas has utilized its internal energy and it has moved the piston upward and its volume is increased, so the work done is negative. Now you're providing the energy to the system to compress the gas. So for this compression, the pressure is applied and the work is added to the system, so work is positive. First law of thermodynamics. First law is also called as the law of conservation of energy. It states that heat can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be changed from one form to another. फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स को हम लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी भी कहते हैं, और अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ हीट कैन नॉट बी प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड इट कैन नॉट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड बट कैन बी चेंज्ड ओनली फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर फॉर्म. ये अपनी एक शक्ल से दूसरी शक्ल में तब्दील हो जाती है, लेकिन ना तो इसे ख़त्म किया जा सकता है और ना ही एनर्जी को प्रोड्यूस किया जा सकता है. Energy of the universe is conserved. Look at there is the gas. Consider a gas enclosed in cylinder having a piston. Energy of the system is E1. Heat is provided and work is done on the piston. So the change in internal energy in the first law of thermodynamics will be. यहाँ पर गैस जो है इसको हीट प्रोवाइड की गई और इस जो प्रोवाइडेड हीट ने इस गैस को एक्सपैंड किया. वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टम. देन द चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी डेल्टा ई इज इक्वल्स टू E2 minus E1, that will be equals to Q plus W. जो चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी है वो जो हीट उस सिस्टम को प्रोवाइड की जा रही है और जो वर्क डन है उन दोनों के सम के इक्वल है. सो चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी इक्वल्स टू द हीट सप्लाइड एंड द वर्क डन. इफ W is pressure volume work, then we can replace the term W with P delta V. Delta E will be equals to Q plus P delta V. When piston is kept on its original position or volume is not allowed to change, then delta V is equals to 0, then delta E is equals to QV. जब हम सिस्टम को वॉल्यूम तब्दील होने नहीं देते, उसके ऊपर फिक्स पिस्टन लगाते हैं, तो जितनी सारी हीट हम उस सिस्टम को प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो सारी की सारी हीट उसकी इंटरनल एनर्जी को चेंज करती है. तो जो टोटल चेंज इन इट्स इंटरनल एनर्जी आएगा दैट विल बी एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू द हीट प्रोवाइडेड टू द सिस्टम एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. सो चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम is at constant volume is equal to the heat absorbed by the system. Enthalpy. A quantity of heat is given to the gas which is kept on at constant atmospheric pressure. A part of this heat is used to increase internal energy of the system and rest is used to do work on the surrounding. जब हम प्रेशर कांस्टेंट करते हैं तो जो सिस्टम को या जो गैस को हीट प्रोवाइड की जाती है उस हीट का एक हिस्सा तो इसकी इंटरनल एनर्जी को चेंज करने में हेल्प करता है और बाकी जो है वो उसके ऊपर सराउंडिंग पे वर्क करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. दिस वर्क इज डन बाय द गैस व्हेन इट एक्सपैंड्स अगेंस्ट अ कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. So enthalpy is the sum of internal energy E and the work done by the gas PV. Internal energy E and the work done by the gas PV. So enthalpy is equals to sum of internal energy and the work done PV. Enthalpy is a state function. It is measured in joules because enthalpy can have some initial and final values. So it's a state function. It is not possible to measure enthalpy of system in given state. However, change in enthalpy can be measured for a change in the state of a system. Enthalpies में भी change measure किया जा सकता है as it was in case of internal energy. बगैर कोई तब्दीली लाए हम किसी भी सिस्टम का जो बगैर किसी चेंज लाए हम किसी भी सिस्टम का जो इंटरनल एनर्जी है, जो हीट कंटेंट है, जो सम ऑफ ऑल द एनर्जीज है, उसको हम मेजर नहीं कर सकते. इसी तरह से हम एंथैल्पी, जब हम इंटरनल एनर्जी नहीं मेजर कर सकते तो एंथैल्पी इज द सम ऑफ इंटरनल एनर्जी एंड द वर्क डन. सो हम एंथैल्पी भी एक्यूरेटली मेजर नहीं कर सकते. एंथैल्पीज में भी चेंज मेजर किया जाएगा. So change in enthalpy is equals to change in internal energy and the change in work done. Delta H is equals to delta E plus V delta P plus P delta V. Since gas is kept at constant pressure, then delta P will be 0 and this term V delta P will be eliminated from this expression and the new term will be delta H is equals to delta E plus P delta V. In case of liquids and solids, the change in volume is not significant. For such processes, delta E and delta H are approximately the same. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि लिक्विड्स और सॉलिड्स में वॉल्यूम में कोई खास चेंज नहीं आता, वॉल्यूम में कोई खास तब्दीली नहीं आती, जिसकी वहां पर चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी और चेंज इन एंथैल्पी की वैल्यूज जो है वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली जो है वो क्या होंगी, सेम होंगी. अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, एज वी नो, change in internal energy is equals to Q plus W. We can replace this W with the work done minus P delta V. So change in internal energy delta E is equals to Q minus P delta V. And the equation or the relationship for enthalpy is delta H is equals to delta E plus P delta V. And now we will put the value of delta E over here. So delta H will be equals to Q minus P delta V plus P delta V. These minus and plus values will be cancelled and the new expression for the enthalpy change delta H will be Q. And it is this work is done on the constant pressure, at the constant pressure, so delta H will be equals to QP. This shows that enthalpy is equals to the heat of reaction at constant pressure. Reactions are carried out at constant pressures more frequently than at constant volume, so working with delta H is more convenient rather than delta E. हम जो है मोस्टली जो रिएक्शंस हैं उन्हें कांस्टेंट प्रेशर पे कैरी करते हैं एज कंपेयर टू कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. सो डेल्टा H is more convenient rather than delta E. Measurement of delta H is more convenient rather than delta E. Recapitulation. Energy can be transformed in form of heat and study of heat changes accompanying chemical reactions is called thermochemistry. Energy heat की फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म हो सकती है और हीट स्टडी को हम थर्मोकेमिस्ट्री कहते हैं. Most of thermodynamic parameters are state functions. These state functions may be a temperature, pressure, volume, internal energy, and enthalpies of the systems. First law of thermodynamics is the law of conservation of energy. First law of thermodynamics is the law of conservation of energy and help us to understand the equivalence of heat and work. फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स जो वो लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी है, एनर्जी कैन neither be produced nor it can be destroyed, so it can only be transformed from one form of energy to the other form. When heat is supplied to the system at constant pressure, then it is the enthalpy change of the system, and when heat is supplied to the system at constant volume, then it is equal to the internal energy change of the system. Now it's time to give you some assignment. Dear students, you have to give short answers to the following questions. Define term with examples: system, surrounding, state function. Question number 2. Differentiate between internal energy and enthalpy of the system. Question number 3. Differentiate between endothermic and exothermic reactions. This is all from my side. May you live happily. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.